All right, Momo. We won't see you for 3 days. Hey, are you paying attention? Time to go! But first, coffee. This is Brian having to put up with my Instagramminess. And we're off! It just started pouring while Brian's pumping air into the tires. There's Alcatraz and the city. Robin Williams tunneled, apparently. All of these winding roads are making me want to puke. It's so windy here. We had to pull over for me to take a cute picture of those mailboxes. You know that feeling when you put your face out the car window when you're driving really fast and you can't really breathe? That's what's happening when you face this. I'm seriously having to lean forward as I walk. Alright, Muir Beach overlook. And back to the car. We're at the cheese place. There's a local cheesemaker called Cowgirl Creamery, and they have like a manufactory place halfway between where we're going, so we're stopping. I brought my cheese journal. This is the best thing ever. Got one of those. And a toasty. Look at the little burnt stuff, it looks like a face. We learned so many things about cheeses, and we bought 2. So all these pastures are still pastures because the owners of Cowgirl Creamery have made it like a reservation that you can't turn it into condos and stuff. So the money they make funds this trust that keeps it all running, and all the cows that live there make the milk for the cheese. And the cheese was delicious. Look at the deer. Look like statues. Look at all the little cows. Or those sheep. What is that?
Those are sheep.
Sheep. I don't know. The smell is pungent. We're at Bodega Head State Beach, and the wind is so strong that the car keeps moving.
Their trunk just blew open.
Check out my hair. Check it out. Oh, it's so cold and windy. So as soon as we walked out there, it started raining. And now we're cold and wet. Look at the rainbow. The sun's trying to come out, but it's still raining.
Look at that side.
We're on the coast. It's so beautiful. You guys, it's so pretty. The sun came out. It's still raining that way. Just look how pretty. We found more deer. Whoa, I just got that. The rain came back while we were eating dinner, but we're almost to the hotel. Actually, there it is, right there.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the right.
Pretty cool ceilings. And there's an ocean view out there somewhere, but I guess we'll just see that in the morning. P.S. Today was Brian's birthday. You should all wish him a happy birthday.